Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x8024001D, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, since Microsoft Store and Windows Update share the same services, we will target the services first. So first of all, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab and then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Select Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve your problem if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, and then I'll show you. And then click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script will do. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and then it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.